I want to talk you through now our deliveries. There's this fantastic system called Pallet Line Service that will send any single pallet from here anywhere around the UK at a relatively low cost. And when I say low, I mean 50 or 60 pounds for a ton in weight from here up to Edinburgh. It's an amazing service, but there are opportunity costs to that in the sense that there are some negatives to it. Now, I'm not trying to downplay the service, but I'm just trying to, bring you the information that I think you need when you're putting the order in. This pallet will go like this crate. This is how the stone comes to us and this is how we deliver it to you. And it will be loaded from here onto a lorry and it will go out to a transport hub in Birmingham, Bristol, Bath, various parts of the country. And then it will go out from there. That means it might be loaded and unloaded 3 or 4 times. So I just want to show you what might happen during that. So this is typically how the crate comes. So if I strip the plastic back, you can see it's all good, well crated stone. If we then lift, so you can see here that there's been some movement in the crate when the stone has been moved around the country, and we've got a break here. So that's a clean break. You can see that'll probably go all the way down through the tile. Now, sometimes you might get that in 3 or 4 tiles. Actually, I can see another one over here. So we've got 2 tiles in this crate which are broken. Now, part of our recommendation, which you'll see in our terms and conditions, is we always recommend to add 10% to your measured area, and that will allow for some of the natural variation in stone, but also sometimes the breakages. But what we say to everybody is when you get breakages like that, make sure that the tiler is aware of it and ask him to use it for a cut when you're laying the floor. Invariably, you'll cut 10 to 15% of your tiles to fit into the shape of your room. And this is a frequently asked question that we get when people are calling up saying, look, we've had some tiles broken in the crate, what are we going to do? So of all the times that we've recommended this, I can't remember in the last 2 to 3 years where we've had to send extra tiles out. The tilers have managed to accommodate it within the floor and everybody is happy and the floor is perfect, but it's just to make you aware. It's quite stressful when you're doing a house and you've got products turning up and the tiler's waiting and the builder's on your back and all of those things. When you see this, you can say, don't worry about it. There's a possibility that might happen, and it might not. You might get a crate full of perfect tiles, but if it does, you know what to do and you know what to say to the tiler. And the tiler will be on board with it anyway because they'll be familiar with it. But it's just to give you peace of mind, that's all. The great value to this service is the price that it goes out to you. There are people who order 2 crates and they'll be in Kent. If we were to take that down as a delivery, it would be £500. They will get it for £100, £120 delivered. And that's the same across the UK. So it's a brilliant service. So, if you need anything, please just give us a call. You've got our phone number, or send us an email, and we'd love to be able to talk you through any questions you've got and make you feel as comfortable as possible if and when you place the order.